is how I was able to make from $53 $15K. Well guys, this video for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using strategy based on technical analysis, and to help our technical analysis I'm going to use Aroon Indicator. Guys, if this is something new for you, you shouldn't be worried. Here in this video I'm going to tell you everything you should know about this indicator, how to connect it, how to work with it, how to find entry points with it. So guys, it's super useful video for you, and guys, let's get started. So let's connect our indicator, guys. To do this I click on the tools tab and select Aroon Indicator. I'm changing some settings. I make the moving averages wider for a better display of the indicator on the chart. So, as you can see, this indicator is presented at the bottom of the screen and consists of red moving average, which is responsible for the downtrend, and a blue moving average, which is responsible for the upward movement. As you can see, when the blue sliding line goes up, that is, we have an intersection of two sliding lines. We see that the price is showing growth, and at such intersection, I can open a deal up. When the moving ones intersect on the contrary, that is, the red line goes up, we see that the price is showing a decrease. That is, at such intersection of the moving averages, we can open a deal down. Also, if we look at the situation with correction, we will see that the moving averages often overlap in such situations. That is, this indicator is not particularly informative in such case, so it is better to avoid such situations. Just as you can see, if the blue line continues to move from above, then we understand the upward movement continues. And the same thing with the red line. If it continues to move from the top, then we understand that the downward movement in the market continues. These are the main points that we need to know today for today's trading session. So guys, let's start it. As you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend, and at the moment the red line went up on the indicator. In such case, we will open a deal down, as I think that the price will continue to move down. Also, the main price highs on the chart are decreasing. And at the same time we see that the price moves down mainly with red candles. That is, all these points make it clear that the price has a good potential to go down, and it's more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move downwards in a downtrend. And I hope that 1 minute will be quite enough in this case. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price showed a good decrease, and here we got a steady profit. Guys, this is how we managed to make money on our first deal, and as you can see, the indicator turned out to be right, and it suggests us a really good entry point. And also 1 minute in this case was totally enough. And so guys, let's continue to find another situation on the market. So, as you can see, we have an upward movement here. At the same time, the price is currently rolling back down. Also, we have an intersection of moving averages on the indicator, which tells us that the price has the potential to grow. That's why we opened a deal up here. And also, as you can see, the price is also moving up impulsively, mainly with green candlesticks. And early after correction, we saw an upward price momentum. Also, now I think that after such a pullback down, the price will make a reversal and continue to move up in the emerging upward movement. But with this upward movement, I will try to earn. And I hope that 1 minute here will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, green candles are forming on the chart, and thus the price showed good growth, and I got the profit, guys. Let's continue to find another entry point. Alright, as you can see here, the price moving in an uptrend, and after a fairly strong pullback downwards, we saw a reversal, and at the moment the price is showing growth. In such case, we will open a deal up because the blue line on the indicator has gone up. In other words, this suggests that the price is potential for growth. As you can see earlier, the price moved down mainly with red candles, but then there was a reversal here, and now the price moving mainly with green candles. So it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up in an uptrend. In this case, I took the time of 2 minutes with the margin, take into account possible correction or rollback of the price down. As you can see, now the price is just moving in a certain correction. Let's see how our deal will close. If you're watching my videos without subscriptions, so guys, let's fix it. Well, it's not bad at all. As you can see, our deal closed above the entry point, and this is how I was able to earn money on this case. Guys, 2 minutes was just enough for us. At the same time, the indicator itself turned out to be right again and suggested us a really good entry point. So guys, let's continue finding the decision on the market. As you can see, we have an upward movement here. At the same time, we see that the moving areas have crossed on the indicator and the blue line is located on the top. I'm opening a deal up because the indicator made it clear that the price has a good potential for growth. Also, as you can see, the price has resistance level here, and at the same time we have a certain compression of this level. Also, as you can see, the price has already entered this zone several times. Therefore, I think that now it is more likely that the price will try to break through this level again and go higher, and let's see how our deal will close. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well guys, that's amazing. As you can see, the price showed a slight decrease, and this is how I was able to earn money from this deal. Also, as you can see, our initial deposit has already increased more than 10 times. This is a great result, and the indicator is working well for us. So guys, let's continue. Alright, as you can see, we have some kind of correction going on here, and green candles are forming on the chart. In such case, we will open a deal up because all the lines on the indicator went up. In other words, this suggests that the price has potential for growth. And at the same time, early the price moved down mainly with red candles, but then a kind of fading happened. That is, there is certain support zone for the price here, and more green candles appear on the chart, and the price showed an increase. That is all this tells us that it is more likely that the price will continue to move up in the near future. We will try to earn on this upward movement, and also in this case I took 2 minutes with the margin because, as you can see, the candlesticks on the chart have become much shorter lately, so it is more likely that it is more likely that we will see an upward movement. So guys, let's wait for the entire deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price showing a good growth. That's how we were able to earn money from this deal, guys. And as you can see, the indicator helped us in this case. And so the time was also quite enough for us. Let's continue, guys. So as you can see, we have an upward movement here, and the price went beyond the resistance level. I'm opening a deal up because the blue line of the indicator went up. At the same time, as you can see, the price moved up mainly with green candles. And we see that this is not the first time the price has tried to break through this level. I think that in the near future we will see a breakthrough of this level, guys. Also here we took time of 2 minutes with the margin. And let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price broke through this level and showed us a good growth. This is how we made a profit in this case. The indicator didn't let us down. It's just us a really good entry point. Also, 2 minutes in this case was just enough for us. And so, guys, let's continue. As you can see, we have a level of support down here, and at the moment the price is bouncing up from this level. In such case, we will open the deal up because earlier we had a sliding intersection and the blue line continues to move from above. Also, as you can see from this area, the price has rebounded up several times before, and also now we have been seeing reaction on the chart, and at the same time we see a large number of green candles. That is, all this tells us that the price has a good potential for growth, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up and we will try to make money on such upward movement here. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price is showing good growth, and here we made a profit. Thus, we already have almost $5,000 on my deposit now. This means that we are confidently approaching our trading goal, and I think that a couple of more deals and we were able to reach my trading goal. So, guys, let's continue. So as you can see, here the price moving in an upward trend, and after a strong pullback down, the price made a reversal and showed growth. At the same time, the blue line went up on the indicator. That is, this is how we understand that the price has a good potential for growth, and I will open the deal up. As you can see, the main price lows on the chart are getting higher. And at the same time the price has been moving up with mostly green candles lately, so it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up in an uptrend, and I think that 1 minute in this case will be totally enough for us. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Not bad at all, not bad at all, guys. As you can see, the price doesn't have time to show a big increase in a minute, but at the same time our deal closed above the entry point, and this is how we made profit here from this deal. In this case, the indicator turned out to be right again, and it's just a really good entry point. Also, 1 minute here was totally enough. And so, guys, let's continue and find one more deal for today. As you can see, we have an upward movement here, and at the same time the price is currently moving up. We also have an intersection of moving averages on the indicator, so we will open a deal to go up because the price has a good potential for growth. And also, as you can see, the price is moving up quite impulsively and significantly with green candlesticks, and a new price minimum has formed above the previous one. Also here the price has a resistance level, the price here in the resistance zone, which the price has approached several times, and I think that in the near future the price will break through it and go even higher. So, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. That's great, guys. As you can see, the price showing a good growth, and thus we are making a profit here. As you can see, the indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a really good entry point, and also 1 minute here was perfect for us, guys, and we already have almost $17,000 on our balance. This means that our trading goal is complete for today. And so, guys, this is the end of our trading session. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you were able to learn something new. I hope now you are more familiar with Aroon Indicator, but guys, don't forget that to watch this video it's one thing, but to practice on your own it's totally different thing. You have to accumulate your own experience. So guys, I really advise you to try to work with this indicator on your own. Just try to connect it, try to find similar situations which we had on the market today, and try to trade on your own. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you already put a big thumbs up. I hope you subscribed to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Also, guys, I have trading signals. These are my trading signals and I share in my closed community totally for free. If you want to get them, guys, super easy, just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the essential links will be down below, so don't forget to check out my inbox. So guys, I will see you in the next video. I wish you to have successful trading sessions. Bye bye.